Plastics were not designed to be discarded. Plastics are fantastic materials that are the reason we have clean healthcare and energy efficient vehicles and airplanes. They are meant to last. They have fantastic mechanical and thermal properties, and we should not be using them in single-use applications. So my name is Dr. Jennifer Leroy, and I am the Chief Technology Officer at Novoloop. Novoloop has developed technology to transform end-of-life polyethylene plastic waste, such as your single-use packaging materials, into higher quality, higher value, longer lasting performance materials. So our process that we've developed, the ATOD process, it's a decomposition method. And so what that means is we're breaking down this single-use plastic into small molecule building blocks. And these small molecule building blocks can be purified and used to make a variety of different products. It doesn't just need to go back into more polyethylene to create more packaging. You can think of longer lasting, higher value polymers. You can think of the interior of your car. You can think of the sports equipment that you use, or even your running shoes. So instead of recycling a single-use plastic bottle back into packaging, we are trying to rethink what traditional recycling looks like. We are instead creating materials that are of higher quality, higher value, and just have longer lifetimes. And because of this upcycling process, instead of just traditional recycling, this motivates collection, it motivates processing and implementation of this waste back into new consumer goods. You know, there's a lot of different types of plastic out there, but polyethylene waste is typically found as film waste and as packaging waste. You can think of pallet wrap that's used every time you ship somewhere in the world, or even the bubble wrap you get in your Amazon packaging. This waste has some of the lowest recycling rates on the earth. And so why it's such a problem? It's from human use, and it's from the decisions that we've made as a society to improperly use these materials, and then at the same time not invest in the infrastructure to prevent them from leaching and ending up in our environment. The conversations are now focused on the topics that really need to be addressed, and there are a multitude of technologies, including Novoloops, that are on the cusp of making a real impact in this space. I get to educate an entire industry that's relied on virgin fossil fuel-based products from the inception of most performance plastics. Instead, we are able to bring them a product for the first time that is really of virgin quality, but made from waste. Novoloop's technology platform is very uniquely positioned to address both the climate crisis and the plastic pollution crisis. I am motivated just knowing that we are building something that is needed, and it's something that will have measurable and meaningful results.